Alrighty. This is going to be the final ride on the east bank of elevators here at the Palisades Center Mall in West Nyack, New York. These are currently in the process of being modernized. There goes that one. I guess we'll start by going down to parking. Alright. ADA phone. Go ahead. Go ahead. I guess they took the escalator. Go ahead. Here's your Coca-Cola machine out there. This cabinet's unlocked as well. Alright, hands off. Let's go down to parking. Door close button does not work. There's the ice rink. Here we are parking. Going up? Wow, that is a horrible door operator. Here goes the counterweight. All right. Just like the others, except this one has a working floor passing chime. Alright. Now I know that Delgado, aka Sussex, really likes these elevators, and he's not going to be too happy about finding out that they're being modernized, but unfortunately, as much as I hate to say it, these things need a modernization. As you can see, they've got lots of controller glitches. Alright, so we'll send this one down and try to get a ride on the other one. Alright. There goes that car. Eventually. Now let's try to ride the other one. Okay. Don't know if this one has a working floor passing chime or not. Probably does, I don't know. Nope. Going down?
Yeah.
Which floor? Two. All right. Ooh. Ride's a little rough. Whoa, that was a big bump. Now I'll end it on one. Cabinet, and this one's open. ADA phone. Oh my God.